Some days arrive quietly, no warning, just a feeling. Today was one of those days. So I left. No destination, just the road ahead. At first, nothing changed. Same streets, same noise, same city moving at its usual pace. And maybe that was the problem.
Most places expect attention from you, like time, attention. It's quieter out here. Not completely, but enough to notice the difference. And you don't really think about it until it changes.
How easily life becomes repetition. Wake up, move, think, repeat. So I kept writing. And little by little, the city began to fade. The roads grew quieter. The air felt lighter. Then eventually, I arrived. Sutton Park.
There is not much going on here, and it doesn't seem like it needs to be.
Place beside the city, untouched by woodland, water, open space. The kind of quiet you forget exists.
And I didn't think I came here for anything specific, but I didn't feel like sitting where I was.
I think I came here because I was tired. Tired of noise. Tired of rushing. So I stopped. I listened to the wind in the trees, to birds somewhere in the distance, to footsteps on the path.
I will head back in a bit, but This was alright.
And for a moment, nothing needed anything from me. No message, no deadlines, no next step. So I laid back. The same road, the same city, but something feels lighter now. And sometimes that's enough.